Here's a harsh truth most people over 60 don't want to hear. If your glutes are weak, your balance, your knees, your hips, and even your lower back will slowly begin to fail. The good news is, you can fix this at home with 5 simple exercises. Today, we will do 5 safe and easy movements that help you build stronger glutes after the age of 60. Strong glutes help you walk better, reduce back and knee pain, improve balance, and keep you independent. Do these exercises 3 to 4 times per week. Move slowly and gently. Use a chair or wall for support whenever you need it. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Chair sit to stand. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Lean slightly forward. Push through your heels and slowly stand up. Now slowly sit back down with control. Repeat this 10 times. Rest, then do a second set of 10. Exercise 2. Glute bridge. Lie on your back on the floor or on a firm bed. Bend your knees and keep your feet flat. Place your arms by your sides. Squeeze your buttocks and lift your hips upward. Hold for 3 seconds. Slowly lower your hips back down. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. Rest, then do a second set. Exercise 3. Standing leg back kicks. Stand behind a chair and hold it for support. Keep your back straight. Slowly lift one leg straight backward. Do not bend forward. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Slowly bring your leg back down. Do this 10 times on one leg, then switch to the other leg. Complete 2 sets. Exercise 4. Side leg raises. Stand straight and hold a chair or a wall. Slowly lift one leg out to the side. Keep your body upright. Lower the legs slowly. Repeat 10 times, then switch legs. Do 2 sets on each side. Exercise 5. Wall squats. Stand with your back against a wall. Slowly slide down into a half-sitting position. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then slowly slide back up. Repeat 8 to 10 times. Rest, then do a second set. Remember to breathe normally during all exercises. Do not hold your breath. Stop if you feel pain, but a little muscle effort is okay. Wear comfortable shoes and move in a slow, controlled way. These 5 simple exercises will help you stand easier, walk better, reduce pain, and stay strong after 60. Let's stay strong, mobile, and pain-free.